Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet some little triangle earrings. So let's get started. I'm working with 100% cotton worsted and a 4.5mm crochet hook. I'm going to start with chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. In the next stitch, make single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Single crochet in the remaining 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now come over to the first stitch and slip stitch to join. Fasten off. And there you have your triangle. Thread the yarn ends into a needle, weave them into the finished work. Now for this one, I used a thinner yarn and the same hook and the same number of stitches. Then I added a jump ring and an ear wire. I put a link below on how to make your own jump rings and your own ear wires. So for this one, I've gone ahead and I've made my own ear wire, and then I just made one little link with a loop on each end and a black bead and then a jump ring. And I'm going to open my jump ring, pass the jump ring through a stitch, and close it up again. And there you go, there's a finished triangle shaped earring.